Okay, good morning. Can you make it? Come on, where you making a canilla? Okay. Look at it very well. What? I don't know. I don't know. Madam, let's go to the hospital. No, I want to take you to the hospital. Me man, we making a. Back out from here. There's nothing that happened to you. Fast. I don't want to forget about Khalid. I will arrest you. I will arrest you. Me want to forget anywhere. I will arrest you. What are you making a? Who wants to know what happened to your hand? Check it. I don't know. Let's go to know. What are you making? Why are you deceiving people? We want to know. Oh yeah, let's go to the hospital. You can't be deceiving people. I can do a rehabilitation. Nothing happened to him. He can't be deceiving people. Well, I want to tell you. Remove it. Come out from the road. You remove your hand. Okay. Yes. We'll take you to the hospital. You can't be deceiving people. I can do. No, you will take it to the office. You can take an office. You take it to the office. Take him to the office. Fast. You can't be deceiving people. Be removing it peacefully. Peacefully remove it. You can't keep deceiving people that you're needy. Shut up. Okay. You can't keep deceiving people that you're needy, and people that need the help will overlook them. See what you used. Come on, keep your hand one place. See what you used. You think you can deceive everybody? So why would you do this? Why? See, keep your hands flat. Shut up. So what is this? See, what is this? So for how long have you been doing this? Look up.
It's over more than 5 years. More than 10 years.
So how long?
This man, they have a boss or they take it as a profession.
How long
have you been doing this? 5 years.
Okay, we don't have. Okay, laugh is the more labor they say at the goes on the ever.
See,
that thing.
Okay, fine. Hold on. Can I even do two? No. Yes. You want to do it?
It's no bros or one and many.
Where are you making?